This most beautiful ocean with great enthusiasm and in all know that Republic Day. We have to celebrate this most beautiful ocean with great enthusiasm and in all know that Republic Day. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, first of all, welcome to the honorable chief guest of the respected teacher, parents and my all dear friends. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today we are gathered here to celebrate this auspicious occasion of Republic Day. Today we are gathered here to celebrate of Republic Day. We have